Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix login error on Starling back. If you can't log into your account, don't worry, most login errors are easy to fix. First, make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. For that, swipe right down from the top right corner of your phone. It will open Control Center. From here, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if what fixed the problem. And make sure you are entering the correct phone number or email, the correct password and passcode. If you are not sure about the password, tap Forget Password and follow the instructions. You can also go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Starling Bank and check if there is an update for the Starling app. If there is, install the update and try it. Log in again. If the problem continues, restart your phone. This can fix temporary system or app issues. Sometimes the bank may be down for maintenance. Wait a few minutes and try them later. If it still doesn't log in, contact to Starling Bank support through the official website, customer service phone number or email support. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.